How to enable direct messages on TikTok. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Here, tap on the settings and privacy option you see there and further scroll down to the interactions tab and you will see the option for direct messages. Tap on it and now in this particular interface you can make changes to your direct messages on TikTok. So in order to enable direct messages, tap on the permission settings option you see there and further tap on the potential connections option and you can then go ahead and choose your potential connections depending on your preference. Potential connections refer to your followers, so you will receive messages from your followers connection in your message request until you choose not to receive messages at all. So choose according to your preference. Further, go back and then tap on others on TikTok, and with this you can go ahead and choose the request option in order to enable direct messages on TikTok, and with this you will receive message requests from others on TikTok in your message request tab. So this was about how you can enable direct messages on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.